On May 10, 1869, 150 years ago today, the Central Pacific and Union Pacific Railroads met at Promontory Summit, Utah, completing the first transcontinental railroad link across the United States. It remains one of American history's greatest technological triumphs. The legacy of that achievement and the work of the construction crews, the engineers, and the financiers lives on today. Not only on America's mainline railroads, but here at the Henry Ford on our own Weiser Railroad, where our 3 operating steam locomotives preserve the sights, the sounds, and even the smells of 19th century railroading. Today, we honor the people who dreamed, designed, and built America's first transcontinental railroad and united a nation from sea to shining sea.